Hi, welcome to another NSP service fulfillment demonstration. We're going to be looking at installing a new artifact bundle. I'm recording this in August 2026 and we've just issued the latest drop of the unified product artifacts, and they've been updated to the latest intent manager engine, which is a Graal JS engine, as well as being developed to follow best practices for any developer customizations further down the line. This demo outlines that this is totally transparent to the service fulfillment operator, that we're changing from one engine to another, but takes the admin user through the simple operation of installing the latest bundle, even when the older artifacts are being used, and everything just gets updated. Anyway, hopefully you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hi, welcome to this quick demo here. What I'm running is NSP 26.4. Been running it since it came out, and I've been using a combination of the site-based artifacts and the unified artifacts. And those unified artifacts are actually running, if we have a look at these point in time. So if I look at my ePipe intent type, okay, and look at that, we can see that we're using the JavaScript engine. Okay, so we're using the older Nashorn engine. But what I want to show here, for example, we've got lots of services using that intent type. If we again, let me just go back into there and just say there's the date of when it was installed, the 28th of the 4th. You can see it's version 2, and we got a build number somewhere there. Okay, so standard stuff here. But what's happened is we just issued the new unified artifacts that are actually based on the Graal engine, and also best practices as well for any customizations. So what I'm going to do here, so as I said, I've got those unified artifacts. They're being used, all happy and dandy at the moment for services, as you saw there. And as you see here, I've got this artifact bundle. Okay, so here's the service management bundle for unified. You can see it's 2411. 26.4.1. Okay, and you've got 16 artifacts in here. And what I'm going to do is install the new bundle, okay, on top of that. Okay, and this new bundle is all the artifacts are actually going to be Graal based. So let's just get on with that. So just going to grab it, chuck it in. Okay, so you can see there it's 26.4.3. Okay, so import and install. Might take a little while. Okay, so let's just do that, and we'll see that. Okay, there you are. So it's installing those. Okay, it might take a little while. If we have a look, you got changes, you got updates to these as well. Okay, so everything goes on there. So we're installing these. Okay, so let's just have a look how quick. So it's going to wait a minute. So what I might do is pause this video and then restart it for the second part. Okay, welcome back. Took a few minutes, okay, to install that bundle. So as you see here, here's the brand new bundle, all been installed, all happy, okay. We got the build 292, okay. And what we will see is the older bundle, okay, is now all the artifacts are obsolete because they've been superseded. So they were 290, and we just installed 292 over the top. Okay, main thing is, oh my goodness, what's happened to all my existing services? So let's have a look. Let's just go back. So if we just go back here, there's my ePipe. Okay, have a look inside there. Everything's still happy. If I go into my there, you can see now it's using the Graal JS engine. Okay, we got the new build. Okay, 292. So that's all been updated. If we have a look at the resources now, you can see that the folder configuration, the resource files, etc., are all nice and laid out, following best practices. If you do want to extend these, etc., you can do that a lot more efficiently and following, as I mentioned, best practices, etc. So that's all been happy and dandy on that side. So if I go back to my services and pick a service that's using I think if I rightly know, if I go to my service templates, I think it's called, basic ePipe template is using the unified ePipe. If I go here and find the basic ePipe, let's just pick that one, just do an audit. Okay, just do an audit. Everything's happy on that. Okay, if I go onto here and do edit, okay, you go here and let me just change something on here, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from a user point of view, he will not, or they will not see any difference. Okay, yes, we've changed the artifact under the hood from National to Graal, but from a day-to-day purpose point of view, you will not see any difference. The main bit really is if you're a programming developer, yes, your artifacts have changed. Okay, anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Hopefully that's give you some assurance that you can install these bundles if you're using the product artifacts off the shelf, installing the latest bundle over the top. Even though we're changing the engine under the hood, okay, nothing is impacted. Anyway, thanks for watching. All the best.